Hey everyone, let's take a quick look at Hostinger's Cloud Enterprise Plan web hosting before applying any coupons. Right now, if you choose the 24-month plan directly on Hostinger's website, it costs 62,275 rupees. That's the regular price most people see. But here's something special. When you visit my website, you'll find a redeem discount button. This link takes you straight to Hostinger's checkout page and automatically applies my exclusive affiliate discount. Now, let's click Get Discount. Now opens Hostinger again and watch closely as the price updates instantly. The same cloud enterprise plan is now available for 49,820 rupees. That's an extra 10,555 rupees. Saved, no manual steps, just instant savings. So whenever you plan to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to start from my website to grab this exclusive offer. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. Enjoy your discount and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more deals.